What should you pack for a trip? James is planning a trip to Switzerland while Helen will be vacationing in Fiji.
Well, the first thing we must do is make a list.
Your list will have some slight differences.
That's true. I'm traveling somewhere warm while you're going to be freezing your butt off.
I find relaxing on the beach all day quite boring, if I must say.
Well, I'm definitely not gonna be bored. I have a lot of fun activities planned, like surfing and parasailing. Anyway, let's get back to our packing list. What else shall we take on our trip?
We need to make sure that we have our passports since we'll both be traveling overseas.
True. Our travel documents must be in order. Nowadays everything is digital, which is more convenient. I always save all my important documents on my phone.
That's a good idea. Are you going to check in your luggage?
Nah. I prefer to pack light and try to fit everything in a carry-on luggage. Plus I worry about my luggage getting lost or having to wait a long time at baggage claim.
Since I'm going to a colder place, I'll have to pack extra layers. I seriously doubt that I'll be able to fit all my things in a carry-on.
You are allowed to take both a backpack and a carry-on, you know?
Yeah, but then I won't have any room for souvenirs.
I don't bother with souvenirs anymore. I'll likely end up donating them or selling them at the flea market.
Well, worst comes to worst, I could always buy another bag and check it in on the way back.
Can you guess which item I always make sure to pack?
I know. Your toothbrush.
That is important, but I could always buy a new one. I always make sure I carry snacks with me. I also think that my phone, my passport, and my wallet are essential.
Since I'll be working remotely, my laptop is essential to me.
Speaking of electronics, let's not forget to take our chargers.
Oh yeah, thanks for reminding me. I actually need to buy an adapter.
That's right. The voltage in Switzerland is 230 volts compared to 120 volts in the US, so you'll definitely need an adapter. By the way, do you use packing cubes? They're pretty convenient, especially if you're trying to save space.
I love those. Actually, I should buy a couple more. Another thing I must remember to pack is my medications. Oh yeah. I need to see my doctor to renew my prescriptions too.
Speaking of meds, I need to buy a first aid kit. A band-aid always comes in handy. You know what else I always carry with me on the plane? My noise-canceling headphones.
Oh yeah. Those are a game changer. I always have my headphones and laptop with me too.
Well, I think we've made good progress on our packing list. I can't wait to be on vacation.
Me too.